Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to drive an RC truck. It's remote control, if you don't know. Okay, so first, you go over here, take your charger. There's a charger. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to just block this out because it's boring. Okay, now that we have the charger, we go and we put it into the truck. So, just insert it in, and there you go. If it will actually go in. Just go in. It's not going in. Technical difficulties. Almost got it. Just wait. Okay, there. I got it now. Don't worry. Be happy. Okay. Then we close it up. Put the little needle thing through it. Close it up over here. And then we take this outside. We also need the controller. Okay, now let's go outside. It's gonna be blurted out, but who cares? Okay, now that we're outside, we turn on the controller, plug in the little cords inside the truck, and then now that we have them plugged in, we turn on the truck, and now it's ready to drive. Okay, so stand still. Oh, okay. If I can show it, I'll try to get a wheelie. There we go. But I'm gonna get a better one. Oopsies, I got it stuck. Okay, now let's try. There we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's it for this video. I'm just gonna say goodbye.